In this video, I'll show you the easiest and fastest way to merge multiple PDF files online for free, step by step, so you can organize your files in seconds. If you'd like to watch this more quickly, you can go to the settings and increase the playback speed. First, go ahead and open any browser you prefer. For this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome, but you can follow along using any browser you have. Now, head over to the search bar, type Combine PDF, and hit Enter to instantly discover free tools that can merge your files. You'll find plenty of free tools here, but I personally like I Love PDF because it's quick and straightforward, so go ahead and select that option. Once you're on the website, you'll instantly see the Merge PDF option. From here, you can upload your files from your desktop, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Just drag and drop your PDFs into the upload area, or click Select PDF files to get started. After that, go to the folder where your PDFs are saved. In my case, they're on the desktop. Highlight all the files you want to combine, and then click Open to upload them to the site. Before downloading, you can easily rearrange your files by dragging them into the correct order. If there's a file you want to remove, just click the X icon. If needed, you can upload more files anytime from your desktop, Google Drive, or Dropbox, and reorder them as needed. For easier organization, there's an option to sort your files by name, either from A to Z or Z to A, with just one click. Once you're satisfied, click Merge PDF, and your combined file will download instantly. From there, you can save it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or copy a shareable link. You can delete the file manually if you want, but it will automatically be removed after 2 hours. And that's how you can easily combine multiple PDF files for free. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.